Hey there, and welcome back to Buy Smart. Today we have an exciting dash cam showdown for you. On the left side, we have the 70mai Cam M300, and on the right side, we have the DKK Cam 1080p Full HD. Get ready for some epic comparisons, controversial opinions, and of course, lots of laughs. Let's dive in. Now, when it comes to video quality, both of these dash cams claim to capture the action on the road. But let's see who really shines. The 70mai Cam M300 boasts a 1296p QHD resolution with a 140 degrees wide-angle FOV. That means you'll be able to see all the important details like license plates and road signs with crystal clarity. On the other hand, the DKK Dashcam offers a 1080p front camera and a 720p rear camera. While it's great to have both front and rear coverage, the resolution on the front camera falls a bit short. However, the IPS display and WDR function do make the recorded videos more vivid and colorful. So if you're looking for that extra resolution and wider field of view, the 70mai Cam M300 takes the lead in this category. Now let's talk about those extra features that can really make a difference. The 70mai Cam M300 comes equipped with a built-in G sensor for parking monitoring. It can detect sudden shakes or collisions even when you're away from your vehicle. Plus, it has time-lapse recording, compressing hours of footage into minutes, perfect for catching crucial events quickly. On the other side, the DKK Dashcam also offers parking monitor functionality and loop recording. But here's the kicker. It includes a 32GB SD card right out of the box. No need to worry about buying one separately. And with its super night vision, you can clearly capture the road conditions even in the darkest of nights. So, if you're looking for that seamless parking monitoring experience and a bonus SD card, the DKK Dashcam has got you covered. Now let's talk about installation. Nobody wants a complicated setup process, right? The 70mai Cam M300 comes with a kind reminder that you'll need to purchase the 70mai hardwire kit separately for parking surveillance and time-lapse recording. While it's not the end of the world, it does add a bit of extra hassle. On the other hand, the DKK Dashcam makes installation a breeze. They've included a crowbar and cable clips to help even the most novice users set up and install the Dashcam quickly. It's an all-in-one design that's perfect for those who want a hassle-free experience. So, if you're all about simplicity and ease of installation, the DKK Dashcam wins this round. The 70mai Cam M300 and the DKK Cam 1080p Full HD have received positive reviews from customers. Reviewers praise the 70mai Cam M300 for its superior video quality, smartphone connectivity, and ease of installation. On the other hand, the DKK Dashcam is praised for its convenient features like parking monitor functionality and the inclusion of a 32GB SD card. Ultimately, it comes down to personal preferences. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the 70mai Cam M300 and the DKK Cam 1080p Full HD in various categories. Both cameras had their strengths and weaknesses, but it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences. Don't forget to comment down below and let us know which dashcam you prefer. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.